Where are Torres Strait Islander people from? Option 1. Islands between the northern tip of Queensland and Papua New Guinea. Option 2. Bass Strait. Option 3. Mainland Australia and Tasmania. The answer is islands between the northern tip of Queensland and Papua New Guinea. Explanation: Torres Strait Islander people are from islands between the northern tip of Queensland and Papua New Guinea. What is the capital of Northern Territory? Option 1. Darwin. Option 2. Hobart. Option 3. Adelaide. The answer is Darwin. Explanation: the Northern Territory has a tropical environment in the north of the state and dry red desert in the south. Darwin is the capital city. What does the Commonwealth Coat of Arms identify? Option 1. The authority and property of the Commonwealth of Australia. Option 2. The 6 states and federation. Option 3. The role and authority of the Australian Army. The answer is the authority and property of the Commonwealth of Australia. Explanation: the Commonwealth Coat of Arms is the official symbol of the Commonwealth of Australia. It represents our national unity. It identifies the authority and property of the Commonwealth of Australia. What is the capital of Western Australia? Option 1. Perth. Option 2. Hobart. Option 3. Darwin. The answer is Perth. Explanation: Western Australia is the largest state. Perth is the capital city of Western Australia. What is the biggest annual public holiday in Australia? Option 1. Australia Day. Option 2. The birthday of His Majesty King Charles III. Option 3. Anzac Day. The answer is Australia Day. Explanation: on Australia Day, communities across Australia reflect on our history and the people who have contributed to our shared achievements. It is the biggest annual public holiday in Australia. What is the official flag of Australia? Option 1. The Australian National Flag. Option 2. Australian Aboriginal Flag. Option 3. The Torres Strait Islander Flag. The answer is the Australian National Flag. Explanation: the Australian National Flag is the official flag of our nation. What did the first 11 European ships, known as the First Fleet, mostly transport? Option 1. Convicts. Option 2. Missionaries. Option 3. Free settlers. The answer is convicts. Explanation: European settlement started when the first 11 convict ships, which became known as the First Fleet, arrived from Great Britain on January 26, 1788. Which state and capital city have many examples of fine colonial architecture? Option 1. South Australia, Adelaide. Option 2. Queensland, Brisbane. Option 3. Western Australia, Perth. The answer is South Australia, Adelaide. Explanation: South Australia has a rugged coastline and many famous wine regions. Adelaide, the capital city, has many examples of fine colonial architecture. What city are the Australian Parliament and High Court located in? Option 1. Brisbane. Option 2. Canberra. Option 3. Sydney. The answer is Canberra. Explanation: several national institutions are located in Canberra, including Parliament House and the High Court of Australia. Which state or territory has a tropical environment in the north and dry red desert in the south? Option 1. Northern Territory. Option 2. Tasmania. Option 3. Western Australia. The answer is Northern Territory. Explanation: the Northern Territory has a tropical environment in the north of the state and dry red desert in the south. What was found in New South Wales and Victoria in 1851? Option 1. Silver. Option 2. Gold. Option 3. copper? The answer is gold. Explanation: in 1851, a gold rush began when gold was discovered in the colonies of New South Wales and Victoria. Which one of the following is the second largest state? Option 1, Queensland. Option 2, Western Australia. Option 3, South Australia. The answer is Queensland. Explanation: Queensland is the second largest state. Queensland's capital city is Brisbane. What does the top half of the Australian Aboriginal flag represent? Option 1, the Aboriginal peoples of Australia. Option 2, the Earth. Option 3, the Sun. The answer is the Aboriginal peoples of Australia. Explanation: the top half is black and represents the Aboriginal peoples of Australia. What is in the top left corner of the Australian national flag? Option 1, the Union Jack. Option 2, the Commonwealth Star. Option 3, the Southern Cross. The answer is the Union Jack. Explanation: the Union Jack, which is the flag of the United Kingdom, is in the top left corner. It represents our history of British settlement and the laws and institutions we inherited as a result. Which one of these is a Victoria icon? Option 1, Royal Exhibition Building. Option 2, the Ningaloo Coast. Option 3, the Royal Gardens. The answer is Royal Exhibition Building. Explanation: Victoria's icons include the Melbourne Cricket Ground, the 12 Apostles, and the Royal Exhibition Building. What is the opening line of Australia's national anthem? Option 1, Australians all let us rejoice. Option 2, For we are young and free. Option 3, We've golden soil and wealth for toil. The answer is Australians all let us rejoice. Explanation: the question or the correct option is the explanation. Perth is the capital of which state or territory? Option 1, Western Australia. Option 2, South Australia. Option 3, Eastern Australia. The answer is Western Australia. Explanation: Western Australia is the largest state. Perth is the capital city of Western Australia. Why was a welcome to country traditionally performed? Option 1, to ensure visitors had a safe and protected journey during their time on that land. Option 2, to celebrate the arrival of visitors to the land. Option 3, to ensure visitors pay respect to traditional custodians. The answer is to ensure visitors had a safe and protected journey during their time on that land. Explanation: this was traditionally performed to ensure visitors had a safe and protected journey during their time on that land. Melbourne is the capital of which state or territory? Option 1, Victoria. Option 2, Western Australia. Option 3, Northern Territory. The answer is Victoria. Explanation: Victoria is the smallest of the mainland states. Victoria's capital city is Melbourne. What is the name of Australia's national anthem? Option 1, Advance Australia Fair. Option 2, Coat of Arms of Australia. Option 3, God Save the King. The answer is Advance Australia Fair. Explanation: Advance Australia Fair is Australia's national anthem. It is sung on occasions of national importance, including at Australian citizenship ceremonies and major sporting events.